What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today I want to teach you guys my trading plan. I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do before I enter a trade. It's like a 4-step process that I use, and you should do this with any trade that you enter, and do this consistently, or you will lose. Trust me. I'm telling you this now so you don't have to go through what I've been through in the past. This is not a guessing game. This is not gambling. This is strategic analysis that work. So with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. You can lose some or all of your funds. Do not risk anything that you're not willing to lose. With that being said, let's get into trading Forex with Coach D. Okay, so the first thing I do before I go into a trade is I check the news. First thing I do is check the news. So let's look up the news. Oops, here we go. Right here. And what we're looking for are red folders. These red folders pretty much let you know that there's going to be some type of discussion, some type of update on what's going on in that country. So when you get red folders, you want to stay away from these during the sessions. Like for the New York session, we got in 5 hours, we got 2 red folders for the USD. So pretty much you want to stay away from USD pairs during that time. Or you want to be very careful and put stop losses on your trades that you got with USD pairs. Just keep it simple. That's all it is. You do not want to be risking your funds when you see these red folders. So once that is found, once you figure that out, we're gonna, of course, see what's out there that we can get into. First, you want to start off with the daily. When you go into the daily, the only reason you're looking at the daily chart is to figure out what's the market structure. Market structures are highs and lows, or higher highs, higher lows, and lower lows and lower highs, depending on the direction the market is going in. And as you see, you can tell by my SMA 50 that is bearish. My SMA 50 turns red when it's bearish, and it turns yellow when it's bullish. So right now our market structure is bearish, meaning that this is sell territory. So we're looking for sales. We're not looking for anything else but sales when it's in a bearish territory. So you do that on the higher time frames. You do it in 4-hour daily. Mainly the daily is what you want to do. So now we're going to look for entries. Let's see if we got any entries. You enter mainly on a 15-minute. So I'm going to open it up, see what we got going on here. Open it up a little more. Stretch it out so we can see. Boom, I'm looking for an entry. So I want to see what's going on. As you see, remember how I was telling you, anything you see over the yellow, that mean it was bullish. But now you see it's red on the end, and we're still very, very bearish. It just started dropping. So I see an entry. That yellow line you see is the industry standard pivots. And when I say industry standard pivots, this is what the banks use for their support and resistance. And we right at the support level on this trade. So I wouldn't enter a trade on this pair unless it broke that yellow line. It would have to do what we call the 3 R's. That's a retest. It would have to retrace, and then I would react and get into the trade. That's the retest, the retracement, and we react to the trade. So this is one that I would be watching very close to see if it break that limit. And once it break, say it break that position. Right now it's at that position would be very, very close to the 105.23 area. So we're looking for a drop 105.23. We're looking at a good 30 pip, almost 40 pip move to the downside from to the next support level. That's how we pretty much trade zone to zone. So that them 2 yellow lines that you see right now is your zone. That's the zone we're trying to get into. And as you see, the red candlesticks, the candlesticks represent where we are in the market. And we want it to continue to go going down. We want it to cross that yellow line. Once it's crossed the yellow line, we want the next 15-minute time frame, we want it to stay within the yellow line, and then we want it to continue down. That's how you trade. And another thing that's very important to understand is when you're trading like the USD, Japanese yen, make sure you're in the right session. You would trade this pair in the New York session, and you would trade this pair in the Asian session at 9 p.m. That's when you would look for sales or buy, or sales or buys. And right now we're in sell territory, so I'm just looking for we're looking for sales, and it's getting ready to cross the yellow line, as you see as we talk. That's what we're looking for. We want it to go down, and then the next let's say like it's 333 right now. At 345, I want to see what the next candlestick do, see if it stay within the time frame, and then that will tell me this is a sell. This is how we trade. So if you want to learn more about doing this and be on my team and learn from our platform, reach out to me. This stuff can be learned in 2 weeks if you take it serious. You have to be serious. You have to be serious. There's no other way. You see how that went right back up? It didn't break. So when you see stuff like that, say it doesn't break the support area, then we would look for sales. But we wouldn't look for sales until it went past the SMA 50, because we don't want to. And then again, we probably wouldn't take it then, because it'd be like halfway between the support and resistance area going up. So, but if it passed that SMA 50, we'll be looking for the next zone after the 105 600 area. And that's how you trade. It's that simple. So we can teach you how to do this. It doesn't take much to be on our team. For the month of September, it was $20, but it's actually $99 a month, and it's worth every penny. You're gonna make way more than $99 a month. So, like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. You already know the disclaimer. So just take it serious. In order to do this, you have to be serious. You can't come in here. If you want to play with your money, you playing with your money. If you want to take it serious and grow your money, you're gonna be happy. I'm Coach D. I'm out.